All right. Welcome to the North Alabama Weather Network here on YouTube. We are going to do our nightly weathercast here coming up on 10 o'clock for North Alabama. So far, here's our day one convective outlook. We got a slight risk and a marginal risk north of here for Tennessee, Kentucky, Missouri, and a small part of Illinois. And we also have this general thunderstorm risk for North Alabama, for Huntsville, the Shoals, Coleman, 278 north. Uh, we're not expecting much of anything tonight. I wouldn't even expect a thunderstorm. If we do, it'd be in the far north, like northwest corner of Alabama. Right now, we have storms up here west of Nashville and east of Memphis, or north and east of Memphis. That is that have actually exploded in the past couple hours or so. They've been tracking off to the southeast. They're gonna weaken before they get towards like Fayetteville, Manchester, and stuff like that. But this is well, it was a tornado-driven slight risk, but it's they're starting to weaken now. We did have that one severe thunderstorm warning in Kentucky, but let me get deeper in here for you, and I'll just show you the radar here. As you can see, I mean, originated from Missouri around the Boot Hill, and now it's west of Nashville. I mean, there was a tornado warning back up there in Kentucky around Clinton and South Fulton. So, but we ain't really expecting much tonight, and really for the next week or so, we're expecting rain to start Friday and like rain showers and some just steady rain last through the weekend, and then by the end of next week around Thanksgiving, we're expecting a storm system to come in here with a and what could be a good shot of cold air. I'll show you that real quick as well. We'll look at the day two outlook here, and we got a marginal risk for Texas and Oklahoma and New Mexico. Really, nothing really much. I mean, no tornado risk, no wind risk, and it's probably gonna be a hail risk. Well, I say that. It's probably gonna be isolated tornadoes and stuff out here. Nothing major. And then we go on to day three. It's just a general thunderstorm risk for northwest Alabama here for Florence and the Shoals. Really wouldn't expect much of anything either. Thursday, I know here in Coleman County, the Good Hope Raiders and the Fairview Aggies will be playing on Thursday because it's supposed to be raining Friday. We'll go to the models here and we'll look at some. Well, I'll show you what we're talking about here. Go over here to the convection allowing models, or well, we'll go to the global actually. Go to the GFS, and we'll play it out here. Not for the temperatures. Hold on, let me get it here. We'll play it out through here. Let me back it up here. As you can see, we got a. Here's where they're having where they might be an isolated tornado or two over here around between Lubbock and Dallas around Abilene for the 20th on Thursday. There's a general thunderstorm risk right now, but there might not. They might upgrade it to a marginal or a slight risk. Wouldn't expect too much of a severe weather risk out of that. And then north of here, north of Alabama, we're having rain and storms in Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky, and Tennessee. But that will all move in here the following day on Friday. You see, we got rain in north and central Alabama, and we're not expecting much in south Alabama. I wouldn't expect much at all in Dothan or Mobile. But if Montgomery, you might get a couple showers or two, but you're probably going to receive about an inch of rain or a half-inch rain from Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Pickens County north. And then we keep going on the next day at 12 o'clock. Looking, it's going to dry out for the weekend for the most part. Might have a little bit of showers down here around Montgomery and LaGrange and Mobile, but ain't expecting much. It's supposed to be drier and just a hair touch cooler, but nothing, no real cold shot for this weekend. Now, as we move on to Sunday here, hold on, the GFS is acting up on me. Ah, this is the new run. Okay, we'll go to yesterday. The next thing, you can already see our next storm systems coming in out of the desert southwest over here around Santa Fe and Amarillo. Could be our next weather maker. Could have severe weather over there, isolated severe weather. I'm not too for sure on that one yet. But looks like we're definitely gonna be rain over there around Amarillo, between Amarillo and Oklahoma City, around Monday of next week. As we keep on going here in due time, the 25th. Here, this is 9 o'clock on the 25th. So I want to say the day after Thanksgiving. Let me look here on my calendar. No, it's gonna be 2 days before Thanksgiving. My bad here. We got the GFS is saying we got a storm system which could looks like we don't know if it's gonna be severe weather or anything yet. We don't know how strong the instability is gonna be yet. We're still too far out to really could tell, but it looks like by the period between right before Thanksgiving or right after Thanksgiving, we're gonna expect some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two. Right now, we ain't got good details yet, and then after that, let me go. Let me go keep going to the rest of the period. As the following day on the 26th, the day before Thanksgiving. Pretty sure, yeah, the day before Thanksgiving. Let me go back here. Or this is midnight, or the 2 days before Thanksgiving. I'm back on the 25th at 9 p.m. We're gonna have another shot of looks like the cold front's gonna come through, and you got looks like a line of what could be storms or just pure rain, but it could be a line of storms coming through at 9 o'clock. We're still a week and a half out, so we can't be too for sure. But I'll keep it going here, and this is when it could be cold. But if this we're looking at right now, we're looking at 10 days out, or 12 days out, and the GFS is showing another rain system coming in, a storm system coming in. But this obviously it's 12 days out, and it will change. But we're setting up to what could be a cooler period of we have Arctic air coming out. I'll show you the temperatures real quick. Load the temperatures up real quick. We'll restart it here. This is this was earlier today at 3 o'clock. As you can see, we've been extremely nice. Well, not extremely warm, but it's been nice. Temperature's been the mid 70s, low 60s, or mid or high 60s. Hey, you can't beat it. But as we continue on, you see it warms up a lot on right before Thanksgiving. On the 23rd, it's Monday the 23rd, I'm pretty sure, or Sunday the 23rd. Here, you see, it's gonna be a nice, pleasant weekend after the rain Friday. And as you can see, it warms up. Looking temp's gonna be in the mid 70s by the end of next week, or before Thanksgiving gets here, as I should say. And here comes our next storm system, as you can see, swooping in the cold, the cooler air right before Iron Bowl weekend here. As temps could get down in the 40s. And then, as you can see, on the 28th, it is showing just the Arctic air coming in. It's gonna be cold. If this run of the GFS is correct, I mean we could be down below freezing. So that's something to keep an eye out. I mean, we're still a week out. Things can change, but obviously there is a sign of a an air mass change coming around North Alabama. Alabama in general. North Alabama and southern Tennessee, we're expecting an air mass change back to cooler weather. So enjoy this while you can. But enjoy this nice weather while you can. It's supposed to rain Friday. Just remember that. Keep your coat on you, raincoat on you. But I'll be back tomorrow night with tomorrow's nightly weather update. Thank you for tuning in, and God bless.